Today I am going to share how to make this stunning Football World Cup poster design in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen these images as you can see. So this is the logo and I will just bring it in the canvas and I will just bring it here and make it bigger and put it slightly lower. Okay, like this. And after that I will just click on this image, click on edit, and after that go to magic layers and click on it. Okay, so as you can see it has separated me with the layers here, and after that I will select this World Cup image, click on Ctrl+X to cut this image. Okay, and click on add page and just add it here. Okay, and I will just remove this text because these ones are not required. And now I will bring the picture of Cristiano Ronaldo here and I will just crop it from the lower part so that it gets easier for me to make this image bigger. Okay, and I will make this image bigger. Okay, and I will just paste it here. I will just click on it, decrease the transparency and check if it is looking good or not. So I will just bring it here like this, and after that I will just cut the image, press Ctrl+X again here and scroll down, click on add page, and here I will click on here and paste Ctrl+V using Ctrl+V here, and after that just increase the transparency. Okay, and after that I will just download the page 1 and 3. So for that click on share, click on download. So I will just download it individually so that the work gets easier to be done. So I will just click on page 1, click on done, make sure the file type is in PNG and click on download. Okay, now scroll down and follow the same process for page 3 also. Click on download. Now I have an announcement to share with you, which is that I have made some templates which you can use for gifting purpose or to decorate the images of your son or daughter, so with the theme of this World Cup. So this is the female soccer player, this is the male soccer player, and you can write the name and the school he is belonging or she is belonging. And in this bundle here you can just get the male template or the female template along with the senior poster and the soccer poster. So these are all editable in Canva. So you can just download it in $7 as you can see in here. So 3 templates you are getting for just $7. If you want only the player template, you can just get it for just $3, and you can get the goalkeeper also. So there are 2 styles of goalkeeper, male goalkeeper as well as the female goalkeeper, as you can see. So this is the coach template and this is the senior, which is I am giving this in this bundle package also. So if you want, you can just get in the single one also, which is for just $3. And if you visit in the link, the link will be in the description, and if you visit in the link you will get 2 templates for free of this soccer here, as you can see, this one and this one. Now click on add page, and after that I will just click on this download icon here and just re-upload both the designs here. Okay, just separate here, and after that scroll down to apps here. In the search I will search for blend and click on blend image, and for the bottom layer I will select this logo and make sure the blend mode is in screen, and after that I will use the picture of Ronaldo as the top layer. Okay, so this is the image. Click on add page and add to design. Okay, and make it to the same size as the canvas, and as it has a white background, click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, now after that select this image, press Ctrl+C to copy it and Ctrl+V to paste it here, and click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, and just crop it till here. Only the face part is required. Okay, like this. And after that, select the main image and click on edit and scroll down to find shadows. Click on see all, click on outline, and make sure the size is in 25 and change the color here to something in this light orange color, and you can just check how it looks here. So this one looks good as it matches with the logo color. Okay, and I will just keep it here and it will get adjusted here. Okay, now I will scroll up to find this World Cup, copy it by pressing Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V to paste it here, and just make it slightly smaller and just paste it here. So this is the design, and I hope you will like this design and this will be helpful for you, and hope you can make similar designs for you in this World Cup. Thank you.